Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix problems starting Windows Defender in Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Date and Time. Click Change Date and Time. Update Internet Time. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Uninstall third-party antivirus software if already installed. Fourth method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Security Center, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Fifth method is type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine, click and expand Software. Click and expand Policies, click and expand Microsoft. Click Windows Defender, open Disable Anti-Spyware, change value data to 0. Close and exit Registry Editor. Sixth method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK. Seventh method is click Start, Settings, click Recovery. Click Reset PC. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.